Alright y'all, got a challenge lock in the vise ready to go by BaldBeard. Now I put unknown because it really has no number, name, no other kind of identifiers to the lock or the key other than saying nasty right there. But we do know who it's from. BaldBeard. Like I said, no other name or numbers. So that's alright. We just put unknown. Now you could tell he's drilled some of that out right there to make it a little harder to, let me get zoomed in a little bit. Make it a little bit harder to tension it, but that's okay. I did pick this one a couple minutes ago to try it out, and I got to tell you, really nasty. Obviously, besides the bitting itself is nasty. I don't know if it's some really gnarly spools or maybe those what they call them, relief cuts on the core that put that really deep fall set, but I came into a really, we'll see if we can do it again, but it went really deep before I was able to finally get it open. So obviously, even with that drilled out right there, we still got enough to kind of grab, so you just got to hold the tension wrench a little bit more than you would normally. I'm going to pick counterclockwise because of the shape of this keyway. I'm going to be picking kind of like that. So I want to tension it opposite of the way I'm picking, if that makes sense. So let's try and get this started here. I remember I went in the back and I started back there. Let's see if I can do the same thing again. Yep, counter rotation. Okay. Got something to click. Okay. Okay, we've got a excuse me, got a little bit of a turn, but that's not the fall set we're looking for. The fall set we're looking for is really deep. Got some more counter. Okay, now I don't know if you've seen how much that moved, but that lobe on the back, well, it's probably about right here right now. And we're just getting started. A little bit more. Now I'm looking for, trying to find the pin that wants the attention. So I'm going to give each one a little shaky, and I feel one right there. Way back. You see that? I might have to go for it. Let me see. Let's see if we want to commit to that. Let's check the others real quick. Okay, we got something right here too. You see that? Okay. That felt good. Okay, back into that somewhat of a false set. I have to bring it way back to set that sucker, I can tell. Let me make sure. Let's check these ones up front again. Okay, I'm happy with the front. So, let's see. Out there. Right here. There it goes. Even deeper. Okay. Now we got something else holding us up. Oh, there we go. Boom. Super deep fall sets in that thing. I'm guessing, like I said, either some seriously deep spools, or maybe the, what do they call that when they put a cut on the core? Relief cut, I think they call it. But that's definitely very much open. Fair enough. We do got the key. I didn't even show the key working, did I? I did show the key. Now it does have kind of a tick to it, so you kind of got to just, if you put it in and try to turn it, it doesn't turn. But if you kind of just relax a little bit and give it a little wiggle, it does work. So it is a valid lock. Alright, bada boom, bada bing, baby. BaldBeard. Fantastic job. Okay. Good on the camera. Phillips screws on the back here. Alright, alright, alright. Boy, guys, guys, gals, everybody, I am so glad the weekend is upon us. I think some of you know I'm a drafter. I do computer drafting. I look at blueprints. Well, not look at them. I work on blueprints all day at work for basically architectural blueprints. And the job I'm working on right now, wow. Really, really tough. Really tough. I am just, I come home mentally whooped. I don't know if that, some of you can relate to that. There's physically whooped and then there's mentally whooped. Alright, so get that to cut loose. There we go. There's shim in there. But yeah, that building, it's actually basically two buildings that are going to connect to an existing building. So I've got to do the blueprints for the contractor that's going to put it up, and I do all the drawings for the actual shop drawings for the fabricators to make all the parts for it. So I do a lot of drawings. Follower, bada boom, bada bang. Well, yeah, I'm just tired, man. It doesn't fit real good, but it fits. Alright, 6 pins. Oh, they all needed plenty of picking. Alright, see what BaldBeard's got for us in here. Looks like a standard in one. Turn it around. Like serrated in two. Standard in three. Of course, it's a little tiny guy. Looks like a sharp top on that fourth one. Standard in 5. And last but not least, serrated in number 6. Get my specs on. My pokey. We've got on the core, we've got some threading in 2 and 3 and 5. Threading in 2, 3, and 5. Yep. Bada boom, bada bing. Alright, going upstairs. Looks like a wide serration in one. Oh boy. It's going to be one of those, huh? Oh. One of those hard springs. Oh my God. That thing's like redonkulous. Yeah. One of those hard springs in number one. Number two's a serrated, really sharp looking thing too. Oh, it's going to be one of those. That copper in number two. Now that's a, oh, I wonder if there's a wafer in there. Yep. Drunken spool in number three. Little baby spring in that one. That's a teeny, it almost looks like one of those American lock springs maybe. And, ooh, T-pin. Yep. T-pin in number four. I see you. Don't be shy. That was number four, so number five. Now five is stuck to the spring. Oh, okay, because five is almost like a drunken spool that didn't have a wafer behind it. No, it looks like he made it, well, we'll get a close-up on that. It looks like he made it actually to stick on the spring purposely. And six, a recycled key pin, serrated, with a little baby spring. And that does look like it was tampered with, so we probably got, yep, serrations in 2, 6, 5, 4. I think 2, 4, 5, and 6 are threaded. Looks like it. All right. Bada boom, bada bing, baby. I'll show you that pin I'm talking about with the spring stuck to it. Alrighty, if that works. Yeah, key pins. We got a standard in 1, serrated in 2, standard in 3, kind of almost a spooled key pin in number 4, standard in 5, serrated in 6. Drivers, we got a almost spooled serrated in 1, double serrated in 2, drunken spool in 3, 4 T-pin, call that T-pin for sure. And this is that one I was talking about. It looks like he actually made that end so it did stick in the spring. Because, I mean, it's really shaped to fit right in there. So, looks purposely made. 6, we got this recycled key pin, which is fine, upside down, multi-serrated. And all the springs do vary, and I can tell you right now, this one right here is super stiff. It's one of them really, really strong springs. All right, so again, like I said, the lock didn't have a name or a number, but we do know it's by the one and only BaldBeard. BaldBeard, thank you so much for pinning that up, and I believe, let me look, who sent it? Where's my clip? Bobby Key sent it. So thank you, Bobby, for sending it my way. It'll be going out to a picker near you soon. I think that'll do it. Did I have any announcements or anything? Nope. All right. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, as always, give it a thumbs up. If not, don't. And please subscribe. All that, excuse me, all that good stuff. And TGIF, y'all. Have a good weekend. Hope to see y'all on Stock Lock Sunday.